It's your girl, Tiffany, back at you again with another video. And today, you guys, you ever wondered how they get the sanding sugar to stick on a marshmallow pop without putting frosting on there? Today is your lucky day, you guys. Marshmallow pop decorating 101 with Tiffany. So let's jump into this video. Okay, you guys, so first you're going to need your marshmallows. And I got medium size, you guys. You're going to need your lollipop sticks. You're going to need your sanding sugar. And see, I'm going to do springy type marshmallow pop. See, I got green sanding sugar. I got some light pink here, you guys. And I got some bright pink, hot pink. And then I also have a half glass of, a half Pyrex glass of water, you guys. And then I have my spoon. It's actually a measuring spoon, but a spoon I'm going to be using for the sanding sugar to put it on my marshmallow pops. And I have my, this is actually a cake pop holder, but I'm going to use it for my marshmallow pops. So, first things first, we're going to take our marshmallow pops, and I'm going to grab some out the bag, you guys. So I'm going to do 6 for you guys to see how this goes. So I'm going to put my lollipop stick in each one of the marshmallows. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. Oh. So I guess I'm going to be showing you guys 5. You know what? I'll go ahead and do that 6 straw, you guys. Pop, I mean. 6. Okay. So we got them all skewered up, our marshmallow pops. Adjust my camera a little bit. Okay, you guys. So I got my sprinkles here. I am just going to take one of my marshmallow pops, and I'm going to dip it down in the water. And I'm just going to shake the excess water off of it. I'm going to bring it over to my sanding sugar, and I'm going to just start covering it. You see, guys? Sticking. And I'm going to bring it over, and I'm going to put it in my cake pop holder. Okay, on to the next. Dip it. Shake off the excess water. And then we're going to move. Oh, I dropped it in there. We're going to move to this color, you guys. We're just going to cover this marshmallow pop. And I just want to make sure it's covered good. I'm not too worried about the bottom, but you can cover it if you want to. And you can dip them, but with dipping them, it might kill your sanding sugar. So, I didn't want to dip them. Okay, I'm going to go to my third one. Dip it. Shake off the excess water. And this time, we're going to do hot pink. And I'm just going to cover it. Oh, that is so pretty, you guys. And you guys, like I said, I used to do marshmallow pop party trays. And one day I'm going to show you guys in a video how I did the theme ones. And see, you guys, I covered it. And I'm just going to stick it over here in my cake pop holder. And some want to stick it here and some don't. See? So what I'm going to do, you guys, is grab my foam. I got a piece of foam here. And I'm just going to stick them in here. Because they are falling in my cake pop tray. Okay, see? Okay. I'm going to go ahead, do these 3 more. And I think I want to use this pink again. So pretty. Okay. Dip another one. Shake off the excess water. I think I'm going to go for green. And one more, you guys. Dip in it. Shaking off the excess water. And I'm going to go for the light pink. And I'm just going to go ahead and dip it in. This is my last one. Make sure I'm covering it good. Guys, so here are my finished Sugarlicious sweet marshmallow pops. And see how easy that was, you guys? So, marshmallow pop decorating 101. And like I say in all my videos, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will party with you guys next time. Bye.